there, fellow foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 vegetarian recipes to lose weight. So let's get started. Wait! Before starting the vegetarian recipe video, we introduce you with Alpilean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Recipe 10. Tofu and vegetable stir-fry with peanut sauce. We have a tofu and vegetable stir-fry with peanut sauce that's bursting with flavor. Saute the tofu and veggies in sesame oil and soy sauce, then drizzle with peanut sauce for a dish that's a party in your mouth. It's a satisfying and delicious way to wrap up our list of vegetarian recipes for weight loss. Recipe 9. Eggplant parmesan. Craving some Italian comfort food? Our eggplant parmesan is a vegetarian classic. Coat the eggplant slices with breadcrumbs and herbs, then bake them until they're crispy. Layer them with marinara sauce and cheese and bake until it's bubbly and golden. It's a dish that's rich in flavor and perfect for a cozy night in. Get this amazing product. Click the link in the description below. Recipe 8. Broccoli and quinoa stir-fry. Stir-fries are a quick and healthy option for weight loss, and our broccoli and quinoa stir-fry is a must-try. Saute the veggies with garlic, ginger, and soy sauce, then toss in cooked quinoa for a nutritious and flavorful meal. Add cashews for extra crunch. It's a stir-fry that's bursting with color and taste. Recipe 7. Sweet potato and black bean chili. When you're in the mood for something cozy and spicy, our sweet potato and black bean chili is a winner. Cook the sweet potatoes, black beans, and veggies in a flavorful mix of spices and vegetable broth. It's a chili that's hearty and perfect for chilly days. You won't miss the meat in this satisfying and nutritious chili. Recipe 6. Roasted vegetable and chickpea bowl. For a delightful bowl of goodness, try our roasted vegetable and chickpea bowl. Toss the vegetables and chickpeas in olive oil and your favorite spices, then roast them until they're caramelized and delicious. Serve them over quinoa or brown rice for a hearty meal. It's a bowl of pure nourishment for your body and your taste buds. Recipe 5. Stuffed bell peppers. Let's get creative with stuffed bell peppers, a dish that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Fill the bell peppers with a flavorful mixture of quinoa, black beans, corn, and salsa. Bake until they're tender and top with shredded cheese if you like. These stuffed peppers are a colorful and satisfying way to support your weight loss journey. Recipe 4. Zucchini noodles with pesto. Craving some pasta but want to keep it light? Try our zucchini noodles with pesto. Spiralize the zucchini into noodles and whip up a quick homemade pesto with basil, pine nuts, garlic, and olive oil. Toss it all together for a flavorful and low-calorie pasta alternative. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your pasta cravings. Recipe 3. Butternut squash and lentil soup. Now let's warm things up with a comforting butternut squash and lentil soup. Simmer all ingredients until the squash and lentils are tender. Then blend it into a creamy and nutritious soup. It's like a cozy hug in a bowl and perfect for weight loss. Recipe 2. Spinach and chickpea salad. Next up, we have a refreshing spinach and chickpea salad that's packed with nutrients. Toss all these ingredients together and you've got a salad that's not only vibrant and tasty, but also incredibly filling. This salad is a perfect choice for a light and satisfying lunch. Recipe 1. Grilled portobello mushrooms with quinoa. We're starting with a hearty and protein-packed dish, grilled portobello mushrooms with quinoa. Marinate the mushrooms in olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs, then grill them to perfection. Serve them on a bed of cooked quinoa, and you've got a meal that's not only delicious, but also satisfying. Mushrooms are low in calories, but high in flavor, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. Ready to shed those extra pounds? Get Alpilean? Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more healthy living tips and recipes. We'll see you in the next video!